Guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at Madam Glam's September collection. I do just want to apologise, this video is very late getting out. I was poorly about a week ago for a couple of weeks and it really put me behind. So I'm just showing you here, you've got 4 gorgeous sparkly glittery ones and we've got 4 gorgeous creamy colours. Love these. Right up my street these colours are. So a little bit about Madam Glam gels, if you've not already heard about them before. You get 15ml in your glass bottles, you always got your swatch on the top and your colour name underneath. You've got your ingredients always on the back. If anyone wants to have a quick look through those, you can give them a screenshot if you want to. Madam Glam gels cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp and 2 minutes in a UV lamp. They're also vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and hema-free. Amazing for people with allergies, including hema allergies. So the name of this collection is called the Luxe collection. I'm just showing you here. I've got my swatch sticks already labelled. Love my little label maker. And we're going to swatch this one first, which is called Bring My Latte. Gorgeous nude colour. This is my kind of nude. I love this. One coat as well, guys. Look at that. Madam Glam gels are super pigmented. Really nice. Next one is Executive Flame. So I am going to swatch these very quickly so we can take a look at them being swatched, see how they apply, see how pigmented they are. But I'll just speed the swatching up and pop a little bit of music on, guys. And then once they're all swatched, we'll come back and take a look at them. Then I want to do a design with them as well.
Can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So I've just given the swatches a coat of Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat on the top half and on the bottom half the Velvet Matte Top Coat. And then that's what they look like all swatched. So this is the first 4 creamy colours. Really pretty colours, aren't they? So we've got Bring My Latte, Executive Flame, Union Blue and Office Chic. I was just showing you there how well them swatches match the labels. They match perfectly. And then these are the 4 glittery ones. Really, really pretty. I did only give them a 1 coat. I'm just going to show you here. You can see they're still quite transparent because that is just after one coat. If you do want to build the glitter up, you can do as many coats as you want. I reckon 2 or 3 coats would be plenty for a full cover colour. And then that is the whole 8. I really, really like them. That business style is probably my favourite. I don't know though, that office chic is a really nice one as well. That Bring My Latte is my kind of nude sort of colour that I like as well. But they were all one coaters as well, guys. That is one thing about Madam Glam gels. They are highly, highly pigmented and they self-level beautifully. So we've also been sent this as well. So this is the Holographic Chrome gel paint. Been dying to try this, see what it's like. So just remove that foil seal. That come off really easy as well. I was really surprised. Usually they're a nightmare to get off. Now, can you see it does need a stir because it's started to separate on the top look. Look at that. Oh, it's like a rainbow in a pot. Look at that. So I did give it a stir before I swatched it. Now with this, you feel like it's not self-leveling, but if you leave it a minute, it will self-level on the swatch or on the nail. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. So then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now I've pulled these tips out, we're going to do a design. So these first 3 tips, I've given a coat of Bring My Latte. Now we're going to do the pinky tip. And on the pinky, we're going to give it a coat of Executive Flame. Again, this only needed 1 coat, which is amazing on a clear tip. Really, really pigmented. So I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. Now we're on to the pointer fingernail, and I'm just using that Executive Flame and I'm just painting the left hand half of the tip. Now I'm not too worried about the edge being super neat because I am going to be outlining that anyway. I am trying to get it as neat as I can, but I didn't really need to get it super, super neat. But at this point, I didn't know that I was going to outline it. So I was faffing a little bit more than what I needed to. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now we're on to the ring fingernail and we're going to do the exact same as what we did on the pointer finger, but instead we're using Union Blue. Then cure that for 60 seconds. I've pulled my palette out and I'm going to add a strip of Union Blue. And then a strip of the Executive Flame. Then I've pulled out Madam Glam's Perfect White and we're going to add a strip of that. And now I've pulled out Madam Glam's base coat because I haven't got Madam Glam's blooming gel, so I'm going to have to use base coat to do this. And on this nail, we're going to do a marble. So I've left that base coat uncured and I'm picking up those 3 colours on like a flat brush. I should have really pulled out my ombre brush to do this, but I didn't actually know where my ombre brush was, so I had to use this kind of flat gel brush. But yeah, ombre brush works so much better for doing this. So all I'm doing is picking up them 3 colours and then floating it down the nail. Then I've wiped that excess gel polish off my brush and I'm just kind of like sweeping through them colours, just trying to get them to marble even more. You don't want to overwork this though, guys, when you're doing this, because you can overwork it and it's just going to go like a murky colour. You don't want to overwork this marble at all. And I did find when I've done this before with an ombre brush, I've not had to go in and do this bit. So it was probably my error using that brush. Now I've pulled out a lint-free pad and I'm just putting that up the side and then pulling it away. And all that's doing is dragging off that excess gel polish, what we don't need. You need to make sure you do this or else that marble's going to wrinkle in the lamp. So just take off that excess and then that's the marble all done. Then I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. So that's where we've got to so far. I want to add these stickers now. So I've pulled out these butterfly stickers from AliExpress. Just going to wipe over all of the tips with some isopropyl alcohol, just to get rid of that tacky gel polish layer. And then we're going to stick the blue butterflies on the blue nail and the pinky red butterflies on the pink nail. And then I just want to show you here as well, you see where you've got some of the stickers hanging over the edge, just pull out your nail file and just run that up the sides, and that will get rid of the overlapping hanging bits. You need to do that or else the stickers will peel. So now I'm going in with Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat, and I'm going to give them all a matte top coat and then give that a cure for 30 seconds. So that's the matte top coat all cured. Now I'm going in with this gorgeous holographic gel paint, and I'm just going to outline, like I said earlier, the edge of the pink, and I'm going to outline the edge of the blue as well. I'll only show you me doing this pink one because the blue one's exactly the same. And then on this marble nail, I'm just running a few little veins through the marble with this holographic gel paint, just so it kind of all flows in together really. I actually really liked how this marble nail looked in the end. I was really happy with it. And I love to see that holographic shiny gel paint over a matte surface. I think that looks really smart. Cure them for 60 seconds. And that is what they look like all finished, guys. I really like how that marble turned out in the end. I was not feeling it to start with, but yeah, I actually really like how it turned out in the end. You'll see also on that pinky nail, I did add a few crystals, just a little cuticle cuff with some clear crystals and some silver caviar beads. Yeah, and that's them all finished. You can see in the background there, that is the swatches as well. Thought I'd just show you them one last time. So all of the products that I've used today, I will leave the names of listed in my description box below. Everything that I've used today is available on the Madam Glam website right now. If you do decide to place yourself an order, don't forget to pop GG35 in at checkout, and that will take 35% off your whole order. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.